a quick fire question for you all. How and when can can interested companies get their digital journey underway? Let's start with you, Richard.
Straight away. Without being too forefront, it's as easy as picking up the phone and speaking to somebody like ourselves. We like to partner with our customers. It's not necessarily, you come to us and, we have all the answers, you have all the answers for something. We like to fix problems and come up with solutions for applications. So, if anybody has a problem and would like to fix it, or try and think about how maybe we can either fix it or come up with a solution, then it's as easy as picking up the phone call. We'll talk about it. We'll get our engineers on board. But it's very much, the collaboration. We need to talk. We need to talk it through and understand, what it is potentially you are trying to achieve, what the underlying issue is, and how maybe we can help. But it's as easy as picking up the phone, I would say.
That's great. Thanks, Richard. And I'll come to you, Art. I guess it's much the same in terms of mapping out your objectives and, getting that design that you discussed earlier. Is that the case?
Yeah, I mean, I think the first step, I think, is this recognition that we need to do something. I think there's a lot of terminology around, digital strategy, digital transformation, and, however whatever terminology you use, but it's really just revisiting your business strategy and see where this technology might be able to help you in your business. And I realize that for some players that this is not easy. So they might have to bring in some external help, and maybe reaching out to Richard and the ANOVA folks, or Steve, or maybe just an external party who's closer to the digital space and can kind of enlighten you on some opportunities where you might want to start small and then eventually grow your capability.
Sure, thanks. And Stephen, I mean, you've already said that these technologies are widely there. So is it a case of just exploring them and implementing them?
Yeah, I would say similar to what Richard and Art have said, is spread the load. I mean, many companies are busy developing solutions, so I think really challenging your suppliers to explain what solutions are there and how they can be implemented. But I would say even go a step further, and I think this is in line with what Richard said as well, is set your partners a challenge. Things that in the past you might have said are impossible to achieve are becoming possible because of the data that's available to predict things and make sure that they don't go into a failure mode. So we had a challenge from a major cement producer where they said, tell us what you would need in order to guarantee the availability of this equipment. And it's very much, it has to be a partnership because we're not on site all the time. So we need to figure out how can we cover the things that need to be done on the site with as little skill as possible, but also have the visibility of what's going on so that we can advise when something's going wrong and then avoid a failure, which then helps us to maximize the uptime. So yeah, I think the solutions are there, but give us the challenge. I mean, we're happy to have them.